How to fix Pinterest black screen problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest black screen problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Pinterest and then click on it and then click for stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem click clear data and click ok, and then restart your phone and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it then just go to Play Store and click update, and if you can't find any update here then all you need to do just click uninstall and then install it again, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.